Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make atmospheric beats for Aya Nakamura. So for this beat I'm going to use the scale of A minor, and this really is an emotional scale, so that really fits the atmospheric vibe which I'm going to add to this beat. I'm going to set the tempo to 89. And first I'm going to just start off with some chords to keep it simple. So I'm going to use the Whirly V2. I'm going to start off with this A. We're going to select an A just one octave down, and in the scale of A minor we could add this E flat right here. So right now we're using this chord. And just copy this one, and I'm just going to turn this one down to G. So we're only using those white notes right here. And just duplicate it again. Alright, now I'm going to use this F right here. So just still really simple. Alright, now I'm going to use this G flat again. I'm going to create an 8-bar pattern, and I'm just using this stock preset right here and just adjust the tremolo. Alright, now I'm going to add a marimba, so I'm going to use Purity, and I'm selecting this preset right here, and I'm going to copy these notes into this one right here. And we're going to make a really simple adjustment to this pattern. So right now I've turned on the velocity of the notes right here, and right now it sounds like this. And I'm just following the chords which I've already created. So right now I'm going to add another sound, so I'm going to pick a random preset in Omnisphere. So I'm going to use this liquid tones preset, but I'm going to disable the reverb. So I'm going to copy my Purity progression into this one. And I'm just going to copy these notes right here. Add this E. So right now I'm just playing around. So E, and maybe an E right here. That's fire. Maybe turn this one up like this. So right now I'm still reusing the notes from the original chord progression. So maybe also add an E right here. That's really fire. So just duplicate this one. So right now I've played around with the melody for a couple of minutes, and right now it sounds like this. So right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm going to use my African Sample Pack Volume 1. So right now I've picked this snare and this anvil sound. I'm going to create a really simple pattern. So right now I'm going to create a pattern like this. Still just really simple. And we're now just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'm gonna make an adjustment to the sample. Adjust the volume. So it really blends together with the snare. I'm gonna add some swing swing to the beat, around 25%. So right now I've picked those two jam blocks, this one and this one, and I'm going to layer the first jam block just with the snare. And with the second jam block, we're going to create a pattern which adds some rhythm to the beat. Something like this. So right now the pattern looks like this, and we're going to make some adjustments to the velocity to add some more bounce. This really fire. So I've picked this snare and this snare just to add some more layers to the beat, and I'm just gonna reuse the original rhythms. And when layering this one, really make sure to play around with the pitch of the sample so all the samples go really well together. Just play around with it, and we're just gonna copy this rhythm into this one. So right now we're gonna add a bass line. I'm going to use the Mini V3 from Arturia. I'm just gonna select this preset right here, and I'm gonna select the root notes of the melody and just paste them into this one. Preset. And right now we're going to link it to the mixer, so I'm just going to select a random spot right here. I'm just going to cut out all the high frequencies, so I'm going to use the Fruity EQ2. I'm going to select a low pass filter right here, remove the resonance. Resonating frequencies right here. So now we're going to add the kick pattern, and I'm going to select kick right here. So I've picked this kick right here. This one I'm going to normalize the sample. I'm going to create a pattern like this. And this is just a kick which is really in the background and add some low frequencies. So first I'm going to create a really simple pattern. But this is way too boring, so we're going to add some more variation to this kick pattern. So we're going to add a kick right here. And this is a really simple trick which is commonly used in those beats. We're going to just add a kick right here. Really fire. So just duplicate this pattern right here. First we're going to make another adjustment. So we're going to select 1/3 step right here. And as you can see, the grid is adjusted. I'm going to add a kick like this. So first we have this variation. Really fire, but I'm not going to use this one right here, just to keep it interesting. And because I've added a lot of snares and layered them, it's getting really loud, so make sure to adjust the volume. But I think I want to add some more percussion to this one, so I'm going to add some toms. So I've selected this one and this one. So I'm just going to create a really simple pattern. And just copy this pattern into this one and just select the whole pattern like this and put it right here. Really fire. So select all the elements right here, select insert one and route them into this one. I will now just do some simple mixing. So that's basically it, and right now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement. So right now I've created a really simple arrangement and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe and leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to check out my African sample pack. The link is in the description. All the sounds which I've used in this tutorial are included in that sample pack. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.